Hello? Welcome to Oye Quiz. In this new video, total riddles 30. You have 6 seconds for each riddles. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best luck. Let's start it. What tastes better than it smells? Answer. Tongue. I'm flat and wouldn't you chop veggies on me? Answer. Cutting board. I whistle or click when water's ready for tea? Answer. Kettle. What goes in the water black and comes out red? Answer. A lobster. For burners above, and oven below I cook everything? Answer. Stove. What two things can you never eat for breakfast? Answer. Lunch and dinner. I fry with one long handle and flip food? Answer. Frying pan. I crush ice, puree fruit, and make smoothies fast? Answer. Blender. I hum and stay cold to keep food fresh? Answer. Refrigerator. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for more than 5 minutes. What am I? Answer. Breath. I grind kitchen scraps into bits under the sink? Answer. Garbage disposal. Close my lid and I steam rice perfectly every time? Answer. Rice cooker. Toast goes in, golden slices pop out. Answer. Toaster. What has teeth, but no mouth? Answer. Saw. I spin food in a box of microwaves to heat? Answer. Microwave. Long and sharp, I carve roast meat cleanly? Answer. Carving knife. If the video is good, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Cups and spoons with marks I measure ingredients? Answer. Measuring set. Twist or crank I free food from tin cans? Answer. Can opener. Which is the most curious letter? Answer. Letter Y. Put pasta in me. Water drains through my holes? Answer. Colander. I grab hot food so you don't burn fingers? Answer. Tongs. Blunt blade used to spread butter, jam, or frosting? Answer. Butter knife. Rub cheese across meat to make fluffy shreds? Answer. Grater. I make 2 people out of 1. What am I? Answer. A mirror. Big and deep, I simmer soups and large stews? Answer. Stockpot. I pour oil in a thin stream for salads? Answer. Oil dispenser. Flat metal tray. Cookies bake in neat rows here. Answer. Baking sheet. 2 small shakers that make food taste better. Answer. Salt and pepper. Wind me to set time. I ding when done. Answer. Kitchen timer. Long-handled and wooden. I stir sauces and stews. Answer. Wooden spoon. If the video is good, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And tell me in the comments how many riddles you answered correctly. Turn me to raise or lower the oven's heat. Answer. Oven dial. What belongs to you, but other people use it more than you? Answer. Your name. Snap my lid on to save tonight's leftovers? Answer. Food container. Oven-safe dish that holds casseroles and lasagnas? Answer. Casserole dish. Block with slots keeping knives safe and handy? Answer. Knife block. A man who was outside in the rain, without an umbrella or hat, didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? Answer. He was bald. I show measuring lines for liters and cups. Answer. Measuring jug. Heavy bowl and stick. I grind herbs and spices. Answer. Mortar and pestle. Sulfur cloth used to dry and polish plates. Answer. Dish towel. What has many keys, but can't even open a single door? Drop your answer in the comments section.